You ask AI a simple question, and it answers in a calm, certain voice. No hesitation, no umming, no shuffling of papers. Most of the time, that confidence is lovely. It is one of the nicest things about talking to a machine. But every now and then, that same calm, sure voice is completely, cheerfully wrong, and it does not even blink while it does it. There is a particular sting to that moment. Not anger exactly, more a kind of quiet embarrassment, because you almost believed it. You are not gullible. You are wired this way. Humans have spent a lifetime reading confidence as a stand-in for competence. The loudest, most certain person in the meeting always seemed like the one who knew what they were talking about, even when they did not. AI talks in that same steady, assured tone for everything, the easy questions and the ones it has no business answering smoothly. Your trust dial does not adjust for that, because it never had to before. Here is the thing worth knowing about how it actually works. AI is not reasoning from a careful mental filing cabinet the way a person checks a fact before repeating it. It is closer to a well-read mate at a barbecue who has skimmed almost everything going around, and when you ask him something, he gives you the shape of an answer in a warm, confident tone, even when a few of the details are not quite right. In AI terms, that is called a hallucination, which is really just a fancy word for confidently making something up. You already know what to do with a mate like that. Picture him at the barbecue, telling you a medication is fine to mix with another one, or that some rebate is still running. You would not just nod and act on it. You would ring the chemist, or check the actual website because you like him, but you also know confidence is not proof. That same polite, friendly doubt is exactly what AI deserves. Useful, worth listening to, not the final word. What is happening underneath is simple. Your brain is pattern matching tone, not checking facts, because tone used to be a decent shortcut for honesty. With AI, it stops being a reliable shortcut, and that is worth remembering without turning into permanent suspicion of every answer it gives you. So here is the one habit. When something matters, type the question straight back at it. How confident are you, and what might you have wrong? Watch what happens. It often softens immediately, admits where it is guessing, and points you toward what is worth double-checking. One sentence, and the whole exchange gets more honest. You already do this everywhere else in your life. You do not believe everything forwarded in an email or every confident claim that lands in the family group chat. This is the same lifelong instinct you have always had, just pointed at a new kind of voice. So next time that calm, certain answer comes through, ask the oldest question there is. Says who? If this kind of thing helps you feel steadier around AI, there is a new video like it every few days, so it is worth following along. And if you found this useful, a thumbs up genuinely helps someone else who has felt fooled by a confident answer find their way to it too.